Good morning, everyone. Well, first of all, it's a beautiful day. Look outside right there, just beautiful. Yeah, Yoli, there's your house. There's your house. Our neighbor here is also a subscriber and watches our videos. She's in California. That's her home right there. And her brother lives in Texas, in Greenville, Texas, like 35, 40 minutes away from us there in Portrait, Texas, back home. What a small world. So, yesterday, the guys wrapped it up here in the garage. They were kind of nitpicking at themselves and going over some very fine little places. I told them, guys, it looks great to me. I believe y'all can go ahead and finish out your painting and clean up in here. That I'm pleased with it. I'll be the one to return the outlets. I'm the one that took them loose. So it looks great. I'm kind of blinded with all the white in this garage. It will not stay all white, I'm telling you. Yes, it's bright, it's clean, and it has no character. I need some character in it. I may have to slice some of that beautiful wood somewhere and just put me some wood in here. I just can't deal with nothing but metal and concrete only. I can't. I'm trying, but I can't. So I want to tell y'all something. There is a trick that you can do to this wood out here to keep a lot of the critters from eating it. And I can't do it right now, but I'll do it when I come back. I can go out there and float those logs in that salt water, anchor them, put a rope on there so nobody steals my logs, and bring them in if a storm comes so they don't wash away. But I can soak those logs in that salt water, and I mean, I'll let them cure in the salt water, and that salt gets into that wood and that resin, and this time salt is your friend. So it's going to be like the only instance I'm going to have that salt is your friend. But in this case, salt is your friend. That salt will treat that wood, and the insects don't like to eat it. The termites don't like it. The carpenter ants don't like it. And all these other little tiny eating creatures that love the wood, they don't like it. And this is nothing I just learned. I have been around before and people bought furniture, wood furniture. And I went, what in the heck are they doing? They're taking their furniture and soaking it, tearing it out into the ocean, and they got a bed frame or this and that, a kitchen table, and it's out there floating in the water. I'm like, what the heck? And it turns out that they are treating that to get rid of critters that may have already inhabited, or to save their table, or maybe they bought some brand new bamboo furniture, and they will take it out there right off the start fresh, float it in that water, leave it out there, let it dry back out, and the salt protects it. I saw somebody peeking around the corner here at me. Oh, Melinda's dad, I told you. He checks everything all the time, man. His eyes are watching. Security guard on patrol. What's up, security guard, Dad? So we are making a concrete column to go up out here at the beach, and it's going up. And let me cover a couple things with you on this. So we dug down, and y'all probably have seen a video where it got soaked with water, and I talked about that down in here when we were trying to pour the footing. But we got that covered in, and here's this concrete pole coming up that we're making. This is the PVC that's bedded inside with a long sweep 90 elbow right there to carry the power wire and the coax up for the camera that'll be up here at top. Then we cut some small 1/2-inch PVC and put crossways in between here. Goes all the way through and out the other side, and that is so we can slide a steel bar through. Let me see here, maybe y'all can see here. Look at this. Wow, nice. Woo, look at those teeth.
Big tip.
Yeah, how you like that, guys? Man, that thing's probably 4 foot long. Yeah, it's got to be every bit of 4 foot.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah, where'd you get that one?
By sale.
Oh, nice, man, nice.
Yeah.
So what's that fish called?
Ubod.
Say it again.
Ubod.
Ubod?
Oh, ubod. Ubod, the Philippines. You call me ubod. You call me the USA. Snake big.
Snake fish, huh? Thanks for showing me, man. Have a good day, buddy. He's a funny character. We like him a lot. I'm always joking with that guy. So anyway, what y'all think about that fish? They have all their own local names here for them. I'd have to look up and do a translation of what that fish is for us in America. But you see the hole going all the way through. And that's so we can slide a piece of rebar through this later. See, like here, we can slide short pieces of rebar through and use those to step on to climb this pole. Then when I don't want nobody climbing it, pull them out and nobody can go up. So then this is just a flat sheet of metal, and we've used it, my God, this thing's been used for several years now, and it's getting its end of life, I think. But we had these little rebar rings that I had Joel make me before that gives me a defined size. And see if I can get there where you can see the sun so bright here. And we put those around it. When you pour the cement in it, it tightens up against them, and we end up with a nice uniform round pole here. And man, we just do it like that. I borrowed this idea right here from some of those fiberglass concrete utility poles that I see here and in the United States and all. And they would have these big holes through there. They'd have them pre-made for like where their big bolts and stuff go through, right? And for bolting on their hardware into those. And I just adopted that idea. I seen it on some street poles here as well, that they would have where they could climb them. Of course, you can't use normal climbing gear like you do on the wood poles. So I just adopted that into my own. I made it, and it's really great, and Ammon's doing a great job making this for me. He's using this one right now to support the sheet from sliding down on the next form. So this pole, I'll probably run it up maybe about 20 foot, and then I've got a stainless steel pipe that goes on up from there. So that's what's happening there. It is a super beautiful day here. Look at that. Oh, and there comes Miss Melinda too. Hey, Melly.
Yes, pal.
I was just showing what a beautiful day it is here.
Yeah, it does.
Super beautiful day.
I love the water.
Man, I'm telling you, could you imagine being out there on a set of skis right now? Oh, God.
Oh, man, it's very smooth.
We would disturb all these people's peace, wouldn't we? we probably need to go out far and away from the locals here. They'd be like, man, what the heck are y'all doing? Actually, what they'd be doing is all lined up on the shore watching us, wouldn't they?
Because they're not used to be, you know.
So Uncle Joe's here painting. Gotta keep the ship running smooth. When you live by the water, you got to treat everything just like a ship, and you got to keep it all painted. So doing a little painting touch up. The Nomicon militant group is also here painting. Yeah, painting away. In here, it's now like the tree was never there. Yeah, yeah, just like it was never even there. Isn't that something? And they are getting down to the bottom. We'll be able to pour this last column today. We'll finally be past that. Yep. So they told me they're short a couple pieces of 16 mm on the steel rebar for the bottom piece that goes down in there. So I'm gonna send someone to get that, and they'll get that ready, and they'll start pouring this in like Marlon just said this afternoon. Marlon, the human excavator. Look at that. That's all y'all see on him, right? Told y'all I'm gonna nickname him Dig. His new name's gonna be Dig. What's up, Dig? Yeah. 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 That is my name for him now, is Dig. I hear some of them call him what, Chip?
Yeah, Chip.
Yeah, but he ain't a Chip, he's a Dig.
Yeah. Amugan nira. Need to buy on still.
Yeah, 2 pieces.
Huh?
We're pretty excited right now.
I'm excited.
It's our anniversary. You guys know that. We got the green machine parked right over here. We are at the Courtyard Marriott, which is a really nice hotel here in Mega World in Iloilo. And we're excited to stay here tonight and celebrate our anniversary. Yeah.
Right.
Honeymoon again.
Always honeymoon.
So here we go. We're going to get in, get checked in, and we're excited for this.